Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the airline policy and leaving your device in airplane mode while enabling Bluetooth. This keeps radios compliant but allows audio links. Next, power the transmitter to at least 50% or keep it USB powered so it won't die mid-flight. Once done, set the unit to transmitter or TX mode and position it near the aircraft headphone jack or your seat area. Make sure the auxiliary cable is securely connected to the jack and the transmitter so the plane's audio will flow into the unit. You now pair your headphones, put them in pairing mode and watch the LEDs or listen for prompts. Once ready, initiate pairing on the transmitter. If it has codec options, choose a low latency profile to avoid lip sync issues because timing matters with in-flight video. After pairing, route audio by adjusting the plane's headphone volume and the transmitter's gain. Make sure the output isn't maxed to avoid distortion. Finally, test with a brief audio clip and fine-tune levels until sound is clear and comfortable. You finish by securing the transmitter and cables so nothing gets tugged or blocks movement. Use tape or a clip if needed. Once in place, confirm sound plays through your headphones and that levels remain stable during taxi, takeoff, and cruise. If you lose audio, first check the aux connection and the transmitter's TX mode, then reinitiate pairing with your headphones. Sometimes a quick disconnect and reconnect fixes it. Keep a spare aux cable, adapter, and a small battery, pack handy for a fast recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.